stopped spinning. It was spinning so you could see it around. It stopped spinning, but I'll just walk around. This concept is in green color with a gold essence to it, and if when the lights are turned on, they are actually yellowish, goldish, and I thought that it's not going to look that good. It's going to look a bit cheap, but actually when seeing it in real life combined with the green metallic paint, I have to say that it looks absolutely incredible, especially with these wheels that combine a glossy black look with these golden lights right here. Take a look at the back. As you can see, 4 huge exhaust tips, blacked out taillights. You can see some cool smoke around the car here, a little bit of light show, and it's the M8 BMW concept. It's the M8 Gran Coupe. This car should come out with at least a V8, so engine-wise, it should be a very, very good car. Anyway, it looks incredible. Pretty happy that even though it's not spinning, at least the people cleared up a little.